wiring, the wires that run out to the nav lights, as well as the landing light. Also going to install the Garmin heated pitot tube and angle of attack indicator all in one unit there. I ended up ordering and buying the wing wiring harness from Midwest Panel Builders. They put it together, it's a really nice job. I'm just threading it through all the grommets in each rib and getting it where it needs to go. Looks like I'm starting here with the left wing. I've hung them on the wall. It kind of makes it easier to run this wiring through instead of having to lean over the wing and try to thread it through. Worked out pretty good. Alright, here I'm mounting the bracket for the pitot tube. And I'm mounting the heated regulator to this side rib here. I'm just marking where I need to drill holes. And then I'm going to put in some rib nuts and then screw the heated regulator into that side rib. Now I'm threading the wiring through the front of these ribs that go to the heated part of the pitot tube, as well as the pitot and the angle of attack tubes. Alright, new day, new wing. I'm on the opposite wall of the garage. I have the wings hung on both sides of the walls. This is the right wing, doing the same thing, threading the wiring through the grommets and trying to feed them down to the respective places in the wing. Kind of an update of what I've been doing. This one's the right wing. I've got the wires ran for the taxi light and the landing light. Here's wires to go out to the wingtip for the nav light. It's kind of the situation of the right wing. There's the left wing. I've got the wires ran both for taxi lights and nav lights, as well as the heated regulated Garmin pitot tube. And I've mounted the regulator right here, secured all the wires. There's the pitot tube. Let's get on the back side. Oh, got all that done. I've put some standoffs with zip ties to keep the wire away from the tubing. I don't know if that wire will get hot or not.